Financial market institution. Imagine a world where you had money to invest, but no stock market to buy into growing companies, or where businesses with brilliant ideas had no way to raise capital from investors. This is what our economy would look like without financial market institutions, the invisible architecture that makes modern finance possible. These institutions form the essential framework that allows capital to flow efficiently throughout our economy. They're not just buildings on Wall Street, they're the systems, organizations, and rules that connect those who have money with those who need it to create value. Understanding how they work is like getting a blueprint to the engine of our economic system. At the most fundamental level, financial institutions serve as intermediaries between savers and borrowers. Commercial banks take deposits from individuals and businesses, then lend those funds to home buyers, entrepreneurs, and corporations. Investment banks help companies raise capital by issuing stocks and bonds. Asset management firms pool money from many investors to create diversified portfolios that would be impossible for individuals to build alone. These institutions create efficiency through specialization and scale. Think about trying to loan money directly to a corporation across the country. You'd need to evaluate their creditworthiness, create legal contracts, and monitor their performance. Financial institutions handle all these complex tasks, making it possible for your savings to help build businesses, infrastructure, and innovations around the world. The regulatory framework surrounding these institutions provides crucial protection for everyone involved. Government agencies establish capital requirements, conduct regular examinations, and enforce rules designed to prevent fraud and maintain stability. While regulations sometimes seem burdensome, they're what allow us to trust that our deposits are safe and our investments are fairly traded. Perhaps the most vital role these institutions play is in managing risk. Insurance companies pool risks across millions of policyholders, making it possible to recover from disasters that would bankrupt any single family or business. Pension funds manage longevity risk, ensuring people don't outlive their savings. Derivatives markets allow businesses to hedge against currency fluctuations and commodity price changes. Technology has dramatically transformed these institutions in recent decades. Electronic trading platforms execute transactions in milliseconds. Mobile banking apps have put financial services in our pockets. Robo-advisors use algorithms to provide investment management at lower costs. Yet despite these technological advances, the human elements of trust, judgment, and relationship building remain essential. These institutions collectively determine how capital gets allocated in our society. The interest rates set by central banks influence everything from mortgage costs to business expansion plans. The research produced by investment firms helps direct capital toward the most promising innovations. The lending decisions of commercial banks determine which entrepreneurs get to pursue their dreams. Understanding financial market institutions empowers you to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. When you know how banks create money through lending, how insurance companies assess risk, and how investment firms value companies, you can make more informed decisions about your own financial future. These institutions ultimately exist to serve human needs and aspirations. Behind every transaction are people hoping to buy homes, send children to college, start businesses, or secure comfortable retirements. The most successful financial professionals never lose sight of this human dimension. They understand they're not just moving money, but helping people build better lives. If this exploration of financial market institutions gave you valuable insights, we'd appreciate your support. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel to continue learning how the financial system works and how you can thrive within it.